I'm getting ready to sell this 2014 Dodge Ram, and I figured I'd make a video before the detail and then after, get an idea of how ugly this thing looks before you put it on the market. So it doesn't look too bad on the outside right now. We just had a hard rain. Interior doesn't look all that bad on camera. I installed this toolbox. It was free. It's black. Figured it would help make the truck pop, as they say. Got some scratches through here. I don't know if that will come out with a wash and wax. Water stains. Some buildup. Got a few dents in the wheel well there. That's disgusting. Let me fire it up. Sounds real nice. Looks pretty good on this side. Some scratches right here. Tinted glass. Everything's filthy. Disgusting. Stained. See how well that comes up in the detail. Yeah, that's pretty bad looking, man. That dash is in perfect shape. It's just dirty. It's gonna look real good when we get it done. So then we got this console. Pretty bad. Some kind of, I don't know what that is. It's like foam spray or something. We'll peek under the hood real quick. Nice. Stays up by itself. We got some repair in the process here. It was all cracked. We melted it together with a soldering iron. I'll show you that afterwards. Got a crack right here. Got some rust right here, bubbling up. We're gonna sand that out, try to color match it. That's right. Wiper blade is shot. Got a new set for that. So there's a whole lot of other stuff I'm gonna do to the truck that will be revealed in the detailed video in the next clips. Like a Harley Davidson. Great. Here it is, all cleaned up. Now I'm just going to focus on the interior mainly. No more water on the bulb. Oh, okay, that wasn't in the last video, was it? Looks pretty nice. Hello? I'm pretty impressed how clean they got that carpet. Need a carpet mat. Take a peek down there. Such a tight area to clean. There's some scratching right through here. Didn't quite come out. I'll have to address that. Stops right about here. The flare hid most of them. Got a nick there I'll have to address. Nothing really to see in the bed. Pretty much the same. Scratching here has faded a little bit. Still there. Nick. Help hide some scratches on this side as well. We had some stainage on the ceiling from a leak. We solved the leak. However, the detailer could not quite get that stain out. That carpet mat is amazingly clean. And then we got the box. Nice! Front mat. Ram is fading. Overall, it's looking nice. A little bit of stainage through here. I had some rust bubbles right here. So I sanded it down and got some color match. I'll put a link in the description. Due to that rust spot, determine where this goes. I'm putting the final touches on the bumper. It has improved. However, every time I put a coat on there, it bleeds through. Here's the paint I'm using. Chrysler Mopar. And it's supposed to be an exact color match. Here's an example right here. In the beginning, I had Bondo, which is gray, and some black areas from sanding. And every time I painted it, it would bleed through. You'd see the black, you'd see the gray, and it looked real light cherry. So I went and got some kills, oil-based kills. That will prevent paint from bleeding through. However, it was white. Then when I put the cherry on, it even looked brighter. So then I hit it with some black paint, and this is where I'm at. It's slowly covering. Maybe I hit it a few more times and it'll be all right. So there's a quick overview of the detail. In the next video, I'm gonna attempt to show how to market a vehicle. We'll see you there. I'll provide a link